Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Get ready to explore the incredible taste of Yongchak Curry, a beloved dish from Manipur. Its signature ingredient, the Yongchak or stink bean, delivers a truly unique aroma and an unforgettable flavor profile. Don't let the name intimidate you. This curry is surprisingly simple to master. It's a wonderfully earthy, spicy, and satisfying meal, perfect for a cozy evening. You'll love how easily this traditional delicacy comes together in your own kitchen. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this flavorful curry. Grab 1 cup of Yongchak, whether fresh or conveniently frozen, and give it a good chop. Next, 50 grams of dried fermented fish, known as ngari, is absolutely crucial for that authentic taste, alongside 2 to 3 vibrant green chilies for a perfect kick. Don't forget 2 garlic cloves, a small piece of fresh ginger, and just a pinch of bright turmeric powder to bring it all together. Now, let's get our hands dirty preparing the aromatic base for your curry. Begin by soaking the dried fish in warm water for about 10 minutes. This helps soften it up nicely. While it soaks, grab your green chilies, garlic, and ginger, then crush them together into a coarse, fragrant paste. This simple step is vital, as this incredible mixture will infuse your entire dish with its distinctive, robust flavor. It truly sets the stage for a delicious meal. It's time to bring everything together in the pan. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil, then add your aromatic chili garlic ginger paste, stirring until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Next, gently introduce the shredded dried fish and the chopped Yongchak, stirring everything to ensure it's well combined. Pour in about half a cup of water, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, and let it cook, covered, for 10 to 15 minutes. The flavors will deepen beautifully. Your incredible Yongchak curry is now complete. You'll know it's perfectly done when the sauce has thickened nicely and the Yongchak is tender to the bite. Give it a quick taste and adjust for salt if needed, but often the dried fish provides ample seasoning. Dish out this wonderfully aromatic, spicy, and earthy curry while it's still hot, serving it alongside generous portions of freshly steamed rice. Get ready to truly savor this unique culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.